What is going on, my friends? Hank here with a very exciting announcement. We're taking this show on the road. Yes, SpruesNBrews scale modeling is going on tour this fall. Well, sort of. In the next couple months here, I'm going to be speaking at 2 different IPMS modeling competitions up here in New England. It's going to be a great opportunity to get out, meet some folks, and see some wonderful models, and I am super excited. Up first, Sunday, September 15th, I will be giving a lecture at the IPMS Patriot Scale Modelers annual PatCon event. This show holds a special place in my heart. It was the very first in-person modeling competition I ever participated in, so I'm honored to be able to help out with the show this year. This year, the event will be hosted at one of my favorite places in the whole world, the American Heritage Museum in Hudson, Massachusetts. If you've been following the channel for some time, you guys know I adore this place. It's home to a truly world-class collection of military vehicles, and this year, the good folks with the Patriot Scale Modelers will be having their show in the Annex hangar at the AHM. It's going to be a real treat to see some of these fantastic builds alongside some 1-to-1 scale warbirds. I'll be there all day hanging out, checking out the models, and I'll bring along a whole pile of SpruesNBrews merch. I'll have some of my favorite kits along as well. It's going to be fun. Beyond that, I will be giving a full lecture on scale model photography right there in the hangar while all the judging's going on. Some basic beginner-friendly tips on how to take high-quality professional shots of your builds to share online and with your friends and family. Whether you've got a nice camera or you're just using your cell phone, doesn't matter. It should be a really helpful little session, and I'm looking forward to it. So a tremendous thank you to the good folks on the PatCon organizing committee and to all the club members for inviting me to the event. So Sunday, September 15th, the American Heritage Museum in Hudson, Massachusetts, 9 to 5. Swing by, say hi, enter some models in the show, or just poke around and check out the museum. It's going to be great. And up next, just down the road on Sunday, November 3rd, I will be at the IPMS Bay Colony Modelers Club annual BayCon competition in Franklin, Mass. At the Franklin Elks Lodge. The good folks on the BayCon organizing committee have bravely entrusted me with emceeing their event for the day, and I can't wait. I've been checking out their galleries. Some extremely talented builders will be bringing their kits through to the show. It's going to be an awesome day. The event is going to run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I will be there all day emceeing. I'll have a table with some of my kits, merchandise, all that good stuff. And I would love to meet some of you guys and chat if you can make it. Now, if you've never gone to an in-person scale modeling show before, this is your opportunity. Either day, either event, September 15th, November 3rd, pop on by for a few hours. If you don't want to enter a kit in the competition, no big deal at all. These events are a great way to get some inspiration, and it's so nice to see these works in person. If you do want to enter one or more of your kits, I'm going to have all the event information for PatCon and BayCon down in the video description, where you can find all the event categories, the rules, etc. And if you're thinking, I don't know, I don't think my kits might do very well, have some confidence. You never know. My very first show, I entered a few models. I actually managed to come home with a silver medal for one of my categories. I was blown away, and in a way, it really helped encourage me to keep this hobby up, and here we are today. So, PatCon, Hudson, Mass., September 15th, BayCon, Franklin, Mass., November 3rd. I hope to see you guys there. Let me know down in the comments below if you think you're going to be able to come through. Another huge thank you to the folks over at the IPMS Patriot Modelers and the IPMS Bay Colony Modelers. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers, and I hope to see you soon. What is going on, my friends? Oh my goodness. Hi. Do you want to be in the video? Do you want to be in the video? What's that? What? What? Oh, what is it? What is it, Roger? Daddy's recording.